kind of sad right now. I put the reed valve in, put the windowed piston in. I fixed my exhaust leaks. It seems to run smoother. But it still doesn't do 40. It still doesn't do 40. And in fact, it went slower. It did 32. My highest I've done without the reed valve and that piston in there. And the windowed piston, I've done 36. That was on a hotter day and a lower mixture of oil. But I think that if it was like 67 degrees and sunny, no wind, and I had let's say like 20-to-1 ratio in, or maybe, yeah, like 20-to-1 or something like that, I think I'd do 40. Well, again, I was using the speedometer on my phone. I don't know how accurate that is. It seems pretty accurate, but I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed, but I mean, well. Anyway, if you want to know how I fixed it, I just took rubber tubing, like thick rubber tubing, whatever. I forget what it's called. And I just put hose clamps on it. Yeah. And this right here is because I'm stupid and I ripped the tubing, so I had an exhaust leak there, so I tried to like zip tie over it to plug it. It's a massive zip tie, if you couldn't tell. Like, that's a thick zip tie. No, I thought I fixed it. I got a bell, so if I get pulled over, I can be friendly and be like, hey, don't give me a ticket. Yeah. And then this is just from the exhaust gasket, but that's always normal. There's only leak is bad right there, which is good news. I still have a chain tensioner, and I'm thinking about buying one just because tension, that's why, I don't know. This seat is still treating pretty well. I think it's like 5 years old, because I bought it, like, and it was on my mountain bike over there. Oh yes, Mongoose Seeker. But dirt bike bars on there. It's extremely bent, but that's fine. Yeah. I'm running like a higher ratio than 16-to-1. Like, it's got more, it's probably like 14-to-1 actually. Cause like my piston was like a little scarred in there. I was like, it'll heal itself. Not piston, but the cylinder. Like, it'll heal itself, but maybe not. I got this gem. Had this like a really long time. Oh, and then there's the 1970 something Santa Fe road bike, which is always cool. And then there's this piece of junk. Doesn't do 40 yet. Notice how I said yet. It's gonna do 40, and I'm convinced. Maybe it won't. I don't know. Although I really do like the rear valve because it like smooths out the power more. Like when you're like lower PM, it's like really choppy sometimes. You know what I mean? Like clack the chain a lot. I'm not saying like when you start off, but like, you know. And yeah, it smooths all that out, and it feels like it definitely improves acceleration. Like it'll rev out quicker. It gets up to speed faster. That's for sure. And yeah, I don't know. Shout out to Tyler, because he needs to get a motorized bike. Well, he got a kit. He sold his other one because that one was clapped. So now he's gonna get a new kit. We're gonna put it on a bike that you got for free at like a ditch, kind of. You don't need to know where. Yeah. don't know. Freaking groundhog. Oh yeah, it's a groundhog. They're great. They're great. They're great on top. Alright, that's not working. Yeah. So, now back to the seat. This seat, I don't know how old it is, but like, it works well and it's soft. Like, look at that cushion. Although it's like ripping, like, okay then, like really bad. But now I know what it's made out of. It's made of like recycled foam or some squishy. Yeah. And I was like, oh, I should get a banana seat for it. And I was like, no, those things are ugly. Because it'd be comfy. I could like lean over more and like it all aerodynamic like. Oh yeah, and I decided to like actually wear a helmet for once. Yeah. Yeah, this is, I broke my, did I break my arm in some? Yeah, I broke my wrist in some, and yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. I also like, almost knocked myself out in this helmet. That's fine. It's kind of awkward because my neighbors are like right over there and like they walk past. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's also allergy season. I don't want you to send me danky memes, okay? Yeah. So that's why like I can't breathe or like see. So yeah. I don't know what to say. But oh yeah, I might go to like Shreve and like ride there. Like my friend, he's gonna ride his pit bike, and then Tyler ride his motorized bike. And we'll just like rip down through trees and hopefully not get arrested. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Oh yeah, and I don't know if this wheel, I don't know if these spokes are bent because of me like riding it, or if they're just, you know, I'm just gonna get a shot of it. Sweet. Yeah, right there. Some of them are bent. Like that one down there is a little crooked. That one, wait, what the heck is going on with that? Oh well. So, yeah, that's about it, I guess. Well, these tires are like nylon and they're like really Chinese, but like they're such a hard compound. Like I've done like 5 burnouts on this thing, and it's still fine. Like look at this. It sounds like a basketball. That's when you know you got a good tire. Yeah. Oh yeah, so I got this light. I've had this light. So people don't run me over. The only reason I wore a helmet today is because like I was doing speed runs and I like don't want to like kill myself in case I do fall off. Probably gonna like hard like I would fall like super hard, like that would hurt a lot, but like at least I wouldn't crack my skull open and die. Actually, I might still die. No one knows. Yeah. Oh well. Oh look, there's my brother. Look at him. He's over there. Look at him. Oh yeah. Get on the video. Hey! Hey! Hey Nick! You wanna be in the video?
What video?
My Goodwill Garage video. My Goodwill Garage video.
Goodwill Garage?
Yes.
What the?
It's a YouTube channel I made.
YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Why?
because this one's for motorized bikes and stuff. I want to post this anyway.
On what?
My channel.
On YouTube?
Yeah,
Why?
because, you know,
No, I don't. That's what I'm asking.
Nicholas, you did close out the video. Say something.
I guess for my brother's sake, leave a like and subscribe for him.